What if everything we call the universe is actually the inside of a giant black hole? It sounds insane, but the math is frighteningly close. Let's climb 7 levels of cosmic monsters. Level 1, primordial black holes. Smaller than a single atom, yet packing the mass of an entire mountain, born in the first fractions of a second after the Big Bang. Level 2, stellar mass black holes. Forged when massive stars die in supernova explosions, their cores collapsing into darkness from which light never escapes. Level 3, intermediate black holes, the missing link for decades, created when stellar black holes collide and consume each other in dense clusters. Level 4, supermassive black holes, millions to billions of solar masses hiding at the center of nearly every galaxy, including our own Sagittarius A star. Level 5, ultramassive black holes, like TON 618, 40 billion suns compressed into a region shining trillions of times brighter than our sun. Level 6, stupendously large black holes, hypothetical monsters starting at 100 billion solar masses, powerful enough to influence entire galaxy clusters. Level 7, the cosmic horizon. Here's the terrifying part. If you plug the mass of the observable universe into the Schwarzschild radius formula, the result matches the scale of our cosmos almost exactly. The universe itself might be the inside of a black hole, and every black hole could contain another universe within it. Plus,